Whether you are using this tutorial series from CAD Learning as a guide, or have taken hands-on classes with me or another trainer, the 3ds Max Help System is one of the best resources available to you. The 3ds Max Help System is a browser-based HTML help system that provides extensive information about the tools available within 3ds Max and 3ds Max Design. Let's take a look at how to use the help system and how it can be used to assist you as you learn the software. From the main toolbar, click Help. Then click the Autodesk 3ds Max Design Help to bring up the 3ds Max Help in the default web browser. In my case, my default browser is Mozilla Firefox. When the help file first opens, you're presented with the What's New in Autodesk 3ds Max 2013 content page. The help file is split into two panels. On the left side is the browser, a hierarchical table of contents. On the right side is the window that displays the currently selected topic. Notice that at the top of the table of contents panel, you can choose between 4 tabs for finding the information you're looking for in the help file. With the Content tab selected, you can browse for information by opening up each of the chapters listed in the table of contents. For example, open the Creating Geometry chapter by clicking the plus to the left of the heading. We'll see a list of subchapters. If we click on the Creating Geometry entry in the table of contents, we'll see information in the right window regarding what's in this chapter. From the subchapter list, open the Geometric Primitives topic heading, and then click on the Geometric Primitives topic label. Again, we can see what is covered within this subchapter. Now go ahead and open the Standard Primitives topic heading. You'll see a list of pages that contain information for each topic in this subchapter. Clicking on the Box Primitive page, we can see a description of the box primitive, simple procedures on how to create a box, and the breakdown of the box parameters interface. You can see here a description of each of the parameters for the box primitive object, as well as tips about box creation. Clicking on the Index tab in the browser displays a comprehensive list of all the commands within 3ds Max and 3ds Max Design. You can perform a keyword search that will allow you to select topics based on your keyword. For example, type the word primitive into the keyword search text box. Then click the View button. The first topic with primitive in the title is the Standard Primitive box page. Clicking on the Next button will take you to the next page with primitive in its title. Clicking on the Search tab allows you to type in a search keyword or set of keywords and search for only those topics containing the keywords. Again, type the word primitive into the text box and then click Search. You'll see in the search results box all of the entries that contain the term primitive. Click on the first entry, Geometric Primitives. You'll see in the right window all the instances of the search term highlighted. You can turn this option off by clicking the Highlight On/Off checkbox in the left panel. We can also set this page to be one of our favorites. That way we can easily get back to it when we need to. In the upper right side, in the right window, we see a small star icon. Click on this icon in order to set the page as a favorite. Now click on the Favorites option in the left panel. You should see the Geometric Primitives page listed in the Favorites window. Additionally, you can type in a search term in the Info Center search box in the upper right side of the main 3ds Max interface. In the Info Center entry box, type the term primitive, then click on the search icon to the right of the entry box. This displays the search results in the browser. You can see how the 3ds Max Help System can be used when you're working through any tutorial or hands-on lesson. If you have a question about the function of a specific parameter or would like to explore additional 3ds Max commands.